'Tis the season to transition your front porch from fall to Christmas, and Hobby Lobby is here to help. A warm first impression starts at the front door. Swap out your autumn welcome sign and wreath for their wintry counterparts. You can also incorporate mini trees and evergreen garlands, adding in berries for natural pops of color and extra Christmas charm. One of the easiest ways to update your seasonal decor? Welcome mats and rugs. Choose from a wide selection of styles and designs, then mix, match, and layer them to your liking. A change in season also calls for a change to your seating area. This Christmas look radiates elevated coziness thanks to festive pillows and throws in an understated palette. Round out the aesthetic with wintry lanterns that will give your nighttime gatherings a natural glow. Small tabletop accents can help set the scene in a big way. Trade fall pieces for classic Christmas staples. Think ceramic houses and flock trees. Now you're ready to cozy up and enjoy your comfy new space. Visit Hobby Lobby today to discover all the seasonal decor you'll need to welcome Christmas home for the holidays. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.